Troy University Libraries has borrowed many old pieces of history to display in the library. Each week there will be a speaker talking about different aspects of the exhibit, with this week's speaker talking about tablets, but not the kind you're probably familiar with. These are cuneiform.
Today, Dr. Marty Olaf was up from Dothan giving a lecture on the business of Babylon, talking about cuneiform tablets in the Assyrian period.
The Remnant Trust exhibit has a cuneiform tablet about the size of a business card from the Empire of Akkad about 2500 BC. I knew just enough about cuneiform writing and about clay tablets to offer my services to come up and talk because that particular item was in this exhibit. If you're interested in book art, if you're interested in the concept of writing, in the concept of communicating through the written word, usually in some form of book or tablet or something like that, this is an extraordinary exhibit, and it's really extraordinary that Troy was able to get it.
We have quite a few exhibits, quite a few speakers coming up, and you can find all of them on our Facebook page, Troy University Libraries.
Cody Giles, Troy, TrojanVision News.